So for our Hawaiian style stir fry, we've got broccoli, green onion, we've got some peppers, and pineapple. To get us started, we are gonna cut up and prep all of our veggies. Next we have a red onion.
Okay, the last thing to cut up before we start griddling is the chicken. We've got the chicken all cut up. It's going to take a little bit longer to cook than all the vegetables. So I'm gonna get some oil down on the griddle and put the chicken down. Then I'm gonna sprinkle it with some of Blackstone's teriyaki seasoning. Chicken is now mostly cooked, so I'm gonna pull it to the left side of the griddle, turn that side down to low, and then I'm gonna scrape the oil and seasoning off the rest of the griddle so that we have a fresh surface for our vegetables to go down.
Now that our chicken and our vegetables are cooked, we're gonna mix them together and add our sweet and sour sauce. All right, this one looks really fun. Really cool presentation. I loved being able to save the pineapple top. Like, that's just kind of cool.
Yeah, no, I think that was a great idea.
This smells so
But
good.
it also smells fantastic,
Yeah.
so I'm excited to give it a shot.